Welcome back. Few new vehicles on the market today have as broad a lineup as the 2026 Ram 1500 pickup truck does. The stripped-down tradesman work truck is designed for construction sites and no-nonsense towing jobs, while the off-road ready Rebel covers the adventure seekers, and the luxurious Longhorn and Tungsten trims pamper passengers with premium amenities. A trio of engines is available: a base V6, a revived Hemi V8, or an upgraded turbocharged inline-6 with 2 power output levels. Rear and four-wheel drive variants are on offer, as are 2 different body styles and 2 different bed lengths. Compared to rivals such as the Ford F-150 and the Chevy Silverado, the Ram can't tow as much, but the Ram's more refined package is worth the trade-off in our opinion. We appreciate its balance of features, capability, and comfort so much that we awarded it a spot on our 2026 10 Best List. The 2026 Ram 1500 features a bolder, more contemporary front-end design, highlighting a bolder new grille with premium chrome accents on higher trims. Adaptive LED headlights add a futuristic touch, while the return of the Hemi V8 engine brings new protest badges to the fenders. Front grille. The grille design has been updated for greater prominence, with chrome accents on premium models like the limited Longhorn. Lighting. Adaptive LED headlights provide maximum visibility and a sharper design. Special badges. Models with the returning 5.7L Hemi V8 engine feature new protest symbol badges on the fenders in place of the traditional Hemi emblem. LED headlights utilizes updated LED lights for better visibility and a modern look on almost all variants. Tow hooks. Functional tow hooks are available at the front, often found on heavy-duty or off-road focused variants. Side and fender details. Protest engine badge. Hemi-powered models feature a special badge on the fender depicting a ram head jetting forward, supported by a Hemi V8 engine block, as a symbol of protest against the return of the V8 engine. Fender flares. Some variants, such as the Bighorn Night package, add body-colored fender flares. New color options. New exterior color options for 2026 include Canyon Lake, Delmonico Red Pearl Coat, Molten Red Pearl Coat, Serrano Green Metallic, and Silver Zenith. Rear and bed. Bed utility group. Convenient features for the rear bed include a spray and bed liner, cargo lights, and adjustable cargo hooks. Bed steps. Deployable bed steps are available for easier access to the bed. Tailgate. Equipped with a damp tailgate and power release on higher trims. LED taillights provide a clean, modern look. The 2026 Ram 1500 marks the return of the legendary 5.7L Hemi V8 with a torque, 395 horsepower, 410 lb-ft, as an option, responding to customer demand after its absence in 2025. This engine joins the new, more efficient 3.0L Hurricane inline-6 twin-turbo engine, creating a robust and diverse powertrain lineup. Performance produces 395 horsepower and 410 lb-ft of torque at torque technology. This 48-volt mild hybrid system improves start-stop smoothness and adds torque at lower revs. Character, known for its distinctive, heavy-duty exhaust note and reliable performance, often paired with a Mopar Sport exhaust. Special badges. 2026 Hemi-powered models feature a special protest badge on the fender. The Ram 1500 leans into the luxury quotient with a plush top-end tungsten trim that features quilted leather upholstery, 24-way adjustable seats with massage, and a suede headliner. Sounds nice, right? Well, it's nearly $90,000, so it ought to be. The best buy of the lineup is either the Laramie or Rebel trim, the latter of which offers off-road add-ons to help you take the 1500 beyond the beaten path. As the comfortable medium of the lineup, the Laramie adds luxury-focused standard features, like an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat, heated and ventilated leather seats in the front and rear, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, power folding mirrors, and 22-inch aluminum wheels. The no-cost option of the V8 on the Laramie makes it an especially good pick for Hemiheads. The maximum towing capacity for the Ram 1500 is 11,610 pounds. The 1500 can also carry a payload of up to 2,360 pounds. That's less than rival pickups from Ford and Chevrolet, which both currently top 13,000 pounds. If you want a Ram that can tow more, consider the new Ramcharger plug-in hybrid, which can tow 14,000 pounds. The 2026 Ram 1500's interior offers a combination of upscale luxury and high-performance functionality, featuring 5 to 14.5-inch UCAC touchscreens, an optional 10.25-inch passenger display, and premium materials like suede, leather, and real metal wood accents. The top-of-the-line tungsten trim adds 24-way massaging seats, and a 23-speaker Klipsch audio system, a 14.5-inch UCARACT 5-center touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, a 10.25-inch dedicated front passenger interactive display, a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster, a head-up display, HUD, and dual wireless charging. Materials and comfort. The top trim, tungsten, features quilted premium leather seats, suede roof lining, and a crystal shift knob. The front seats are 24-way adjustable, heated, ventilated, and offer massage functionality. Mid-range trims, like the Laramie, feature leather with custom stitching and genuine wood trim. Additional comfort features include a panoramic sunroof and ambient cabin lighting. Functionality and space. A flexible center console with portacopos and ample storage. A 115-volt power outlet is available throughout the cabin. The crew cab configuration offers ample rear legroom. The rear seat interior of the 2026 Ram 1500, especially the crew cab model, continues its reputation as one of the most spacious and luxurious in the full-size pickup class. Ram focuses on a combination of premium SUV-like comfort, storage flexibility, and high-tech features. Best legroom. The crew cab offers a generous 45.2 inches, 114.8 centimeters, of second-row legroom, providing exceptional comfort even for tall adults. Reclining seats, a class-exclusive feature. The rear seats recline for added comfort on long trips. Premium materials. On higher trims, tungsten, limited, the seats are upholstered in premium leather with detailed stitching, and even feature heated and ventilated outer rear seats. Seat configuration. The rear seats split 60/40, allowing for flexible folding for carrying large items. Inside the cabin. Ram bins, in-floor storage, hidden storage compartments are found in the second-row floor, a very useful Ram exclusive feature. Under-seat storage. The rear seat cushions can be lifted to access the under-seat storage area. Cargo management. A folding load floor option is available that can be folded down after the seats are folded, providing a flat surface for cargo. Rear air conditioning vents. The rear center console is equipped with dedicated air conditioning vents, ensuring a comfortable rear cabin temperature. Charging ports. Rear passengers enjoy easy access to USB-A and USB-C ports, as well as a 115V power outlet. Armrest, integrated into the center of the rear seat, equipped with cup holders. Spacious rear window. The large window design provides expansive views and a bright, non-claustrophobic cabin feel. 114.8 centimeters of second-row legroom, providing exceptional comfort even for tall adults. Reclining seats, a class-exclusive feature. The rear seats recline for added comfort on long trips. Premium materials. On higher trims, tungsten, limited, the seats are upholstered in premium leather with detailed stitching, and even feature heated and ventilated outer rear seats. Seat configuration. The rear seats split 60/40, allowing for flexible folding for carrying large items. Inside the cabin. Ram bins, in-floor storage, hidden storage compartments are found in the second-row floor, a very useful Ram exclusive feature. Under-seat storage. The rear seat cushions can be lifted to access the under-seat storage area. Cargo management. A folding load floor option is available that can be folded down after the seats are folded, providing a flat surface for cargo. Rear air conditioning vents. The rear center console is equipped with dedicated air conditioning vents, ensuring a comfortable rear cabin temperature. Charging ports. Rear passengers enjoy easy access to USB-A and USB-C ports, as well as a 115V power outlet. Armrest, integrated into the center of the rear seat, equipped with cup holders. Spacious rear window. The large window design provides expansive views and a bright, non-claustrophobic cabin feel, specifically for the top-of-the-line 2026 Ram 1500 tungsten trim. The rear interior is enhanced with high-quality materials such as suede or genuine leather accents on the door panels and grab handles. Premium sound from the 23-speaker Klipsch reference Premier audio system, which provides an immersive audio experience throughout the cabin. Overall, the rear of the 2026 Ram 1500 is designed not only for cargo functionality, but also as a comfortable and sophisticated passenger lounge.